her only pilot the soft breeze. The boat William Wordsworth. Her only pilot the soft breeze. The boat lingers, but fancy is well satisfied. With keen-eyed hope, with memory, at her side, and the glad muse at liberty to note all that to each is precious, as we float gently along. Regardless who shall chide if the heavens smile, and leave us free to glide, happy associates breathing air remote from trivial cares. But, fancy and the muse, why have I crowded this small bark with you and others of your kind, ideal crew? While here sits one whose brightness owes its hues to flesh and blood. No goddess from above, no fleeting spirit, but my own true love,